Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log out of one TikTok account, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the profile icon at bottom right corner. Just tap over there and now you will be redirected to your profile page where you can see menu button or icon at top right corner. Just tap on it and you will be able to see the settings and privacy option. Once you tap over there, you need to scroll a little bit down unless you find the logout option. Once you find it, just tap over there and now finally click on logout and logout, confirm the logout again, and you will be able to log out from one account successfully. So basically this is how you can log out from one account, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.